Intro. Welcome back to Golden Years Guide. Today we're tackling a topic many of you asked for: how to balance family, finances, and freedom in retirement. Retirement isn't just about relaxation, it's about crafting a life that nurtures relationships, sustains your wallet, and fuels your passions. Let's dive into 10 actionable tips to help you master this balance. Tip 1. Create a holistic plan. Think beyond finances. Map out family goals like weekly dinners, financial targets for travel, and personal bucket list items. A plan that covers all three areas ensures you're prepared for the unexpected. Tip 2. Talk to your family. Discuss expectations early. Will you babysit grandkids? Help with bills? Clear communication prevents resentment and keeps your budget intact. Tip 3. Set financial boundaries. It's okay to say no. Whether it's loans or gifts, prioritize your retirement savings. Your financial freedom ensures you won't rely on others later. Tip 4. Multiple income streams. Rent out a room, invest in dividends, or freelance. Extra cash means more freedom to splurge on family trips or hobbies. Tip 5. Invest in health. Tip 5. Prioritize health. Regular checkups and fitness save medical costs down the line. Plus, staying active lets you enjoy grandkids and adventures guilt-free. Tip 6. Budget for family and fun. Allocate funds for grandkid birthdays and that pottery class. Balancing these keeps relationships strong and your spirit alive. Tip 7. Downsize smartly. Tip 7. Consider downsizing. A smaller home cuts costs and upkeep. Move closer to family for free babysitting or to a sunny locale for new hobbies. Tip 8. Long-term care insurance. Tip 8. Secure insurance. Long-term care policies protect savings and reduce family stress. It's a gift to yourself and your loved ones. Tip 9. Turn passions into profit. Love gardening? Sell your blooms. Hobbies can pad your income and keep you engaged without feeling like work. Tip 10. Review regularly. Tip 10. Reassess annually. Life changes, so should your plan. Adjust budgets, revisit family needs, and explore new freedoms yearly. There you have it. 10 ways to balance what matters most. Remember, retirement is your canvas. With a little planning, you can paint a life rich in love, security, and adventure. Drop a comment below. Which tip will you try first? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more retirement wisdom. Until next time, keep thriving.